So make yourself as comfortable as possible. The first step, the most important step, we're going to be repeating again and again, not only during the retreat, but the ongoing process of healing and spiritual awakening is letting go, letting go, letting go. More we let it go, more we can be free. More we let it go, more we can create the new space. More we can discover what is possible. More we letting go, more we can discover who we are, the true nature of who we are. More we let it go, we discover the deeper presence, deeper meaning, deeper silence, deeper connection.